Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I wanted to share a quick thrift store vintage type haul. So over the Christmas holiday we went traveling and we went down like South Arizona area, and there were a couple of thrift stores down there, and so I just wanted to share what I picked up. Really inexpensive for all the things that I got, but I got some packages of sequin, all new, and then this big gold one, this cute wood-mounted tag stamp, and these sewing patterns. I like using like the sleeves in my junk journals, and then I like to use the patterns for like layering pieces. So I picked up this one, and I don't recall ever seeing like the men's like on the cover, so I picked this up for that design, and a bunch of patterns inside. And then I found these, I don't know what it is. It says cow pokes, and it's kind of like jokes, and it's on this like vintage type old paper, and these are all different. So I thought these would be good to use in my junk journals. You could fold them to make like page inserts. So I picked those up. And then these little mini roses, and inside this envelope was these old letters that had like patterns inside. So this one is of like a stuffed horse, and it's post dated 1941, so from the Farm Journal and Farmer's Wife. So that was pretty cool. And we have one of these. Unfortunately, this doesn't have a date when it's postmarked, but there's also a pattern inside there. And this one also doesn't have a post date on it. I think this was like a creepy clown one. And then we have this one, and this one was post dated 1977. So super unique items there. And then I just picked up this column pad. I love these things. I use them all the time to do like personal work and in my junk journals, and this was just like a really long one, so I picked that up. And all of these goodies were $2, so that was like a great score. So that was at the first thrift store. And let's see, at the second one I just got these, it's just a bag of staples. I collect staplers, and so I'm always looking for staples. So it was just like this like big giant bag. And in this one, okay, so this was new from the Target Dollar Spot. It's the Burlap Ribbon, brand new. Grabbed that. And these fabric squares, I thought these would be fun to like fold and staple to like the pages of my junk journal and use them as like tabs. Picked that one up. And these are like iron-on transfers. I don't know when they're from. Do they have a date? I don't think they do. They're not open. But yeah, so this is like, you know, Freedom United States ones. And then this one is like kitty cat, like cross stitch. Oh yeah, cross stitch kitten. So what was this one? True to the red, white, and blue. So those two. And two of these really cute angel stickers. So sweet. And then I found these really fun postcards. Old West. And we were down like in Benson, which is by like Bisbee and Tombstone in Arizona. So I just picked up some of those. I think these will be like really fun in junk journaling. And this cute heart notepad. And oh yeah, here's the name of the shop. Hope of Benson Thrift Shop. That's where these came from. And just some mail stickers, which will go in my Happy Mail drawer. And vintage stationery. I have a lot. I have like several collections from when I was a kid. I used to pen pal when I was younger. And I have a whole bunch of these, and I found this one. And this is so cool. So it has the gold seals to seal the envelope, but then this is like the paper and the envelope. So you fold it, and that's where you put the stamp, and then you seal it, and then you would write your note on the other side. And I mean, look at that image. They're just so sweet. So I was super excited to see these, to be able to find these and add them to my stash of stationery. And I will use these because I still do pen pal. Oh, and then I picked up these gift tags just because, like, when you buy the sticker ones, if you don't use them that year, they become like unsticky, and these are just like cardstock ones. And yeah, so I just put these in the pile of you know, the stuff that I was buying. Now what's not in here is, so they had packs of these vintage wrapping papers. I think I picked up 7 Christmas squares that are these giant like pieces, but they're just folded. And this is how they came. So I got, I think, 7 Christmas, which I already put in my Christmas stash. I forgot these one here, so I'm actually going to put them in my Christmas stash. And then I've already moved the Christmas wrapping paper, but this one wasn't Christmas. So this is just going to go in my stash of papers. And the same for this. This is just gift wrap in the squares. This is how I used to buy my wrapping paper, but I don't see it for sale like this way anymore. And then the last thing that I picked up was this kits, the memory kits for like baby. And it has, it looks like everything's still inside. Yeah, actually it doesn't even look open. But it has stickers, ephemera pieces, paper, whole lot of stuff right there. And then last but not least, I just had to get this. I don't know why. This is like one of those money bags. Southern Arizona Bank and Trust Company. It is so cool to me. Like, I don't know why. I'm obsessed. It's so fun. And yeah, this is something that's just gonna like hang out in my craft room. I might find a use for it. I mean, I do travel a lot, and maybe like I'll take my crafting, some of my special crafting pens in this, but totally obsessed with this. I love it so much. Yeah, had to scoop that up. So all of this, plus my daughter purchased 2 pairs of jeans and a leather purse, and it was $4.50. So yeah, this thrift shop was so fun. We were there for so long, just digging through boxes and racks, and we had a blast. So yeah, right guys, well, that's my little crafty thrift haul. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll check in with you all soon. Thanks so much. Bye.